Hello, hi, my name is Manjeet Kaur. I am a master's student working on a master project called Job Recommendation. In my project, I worked as a Scrum Master and a technical analyst. So, we are four members in the team. And as a Scrum Master in my project, I promoted an agile practices in the team and contributed daily meetings, sprint planning sessions, and retrospectives. Granting that team followed agile practices and had a constant flow of progress. In their capacity as a technical analyst, I was involved in the assessments of various technical aspects that nonetheless support the technical development of project as well as the formulation of overall architecture of the system, while at the same time compiling and understanding of various relevant technical measures that would be useful for accomplishment of the project. Let me share my screen first and take you to my Jira account. So this is my Jira account, and in the Jira account, in under the timelines, our project have a timeline of 3 months, which started from March to June. So in the sprint one, let me tell you the thing. So yeah, in the sprint one, uh, what I have done, that sprint one is a retrospective session is a key so far and come up with the insights about the successes, difficulties, and possible improvements for subsequent sprints. And navigating through the complexity of the process of creating a state of the art job recommendation system, it is important to stop and wonder how far we have come so far. So, like in sprint one, what the work I have completed is that requirement analysis for a project was organized during frequent meetings and discussions to have a comprehensive understanding of the needs of the stakeholders and set project scopes. So this is where the crucial stage was learned about the commercial viable features and functionalities in the job recommendation system requires. And second is research activities through the extensive research into the existing trends and the technologies. The best practices as well as indication is likely challenges that all the technologies could bring. This developmental process was basically detected by these factors. So also a user stories and acceptance criteria through UX wireframing, user stories and acceptance criteria. We encourage an approach that was after customer and their needs. The team dedicated the user story for the user's perspective to make user that projects goals are correlated with each needs of the users. So in the sprint one review meeting, the sprint one review meeting was taken by me and one of my another team member, Nidhi. So in the review meeting of the sprint one, we reviewed that we have checked whether all the diagrams and use cases reflect reality properly and are complete from a standpoint of representing user interactions with the system. And our team made a note of every single difference and weakness, so giving the most suitable solutions or revisions options that could provide the impact and understanding. So in the sprint second review meeting was is all about the same thing. So whatever we have done in the sprint one. So we same guys in the sprint two little bit, and let me talk. Following with then sprint three, and in the sprint three we use these backlogs. So let me show you about these things. So after the sprint one, we came in touch with our client and our supervisor as well. So we regularly keep talking to them about our projects. We take their views, their feedbacks, and with the help of they're always capable of improving our project and take it to the next stage. So like client and supervisor feedback to our project was that like change the apply job from with one options for selection rather than like to add icons on the jobs display board to display job applied or not or bookmarks by the user previously to add the locations field in applied jobs. So all these changes were recommended by our client and supervisors, and then we as per their feedback given by the client and the supervisor, the jobs card on the search jobs pages was added with functionality to recognize the like previously applied bookmark jobs, and locations field was added, and a resume upload section was also created. So, what the changes to inappropriate to the next sprint was like add applicant feedback, define admin panel, backend functions, and more filters to sort the jobs based on the various criteria. So, like next uh, in sprint three. So in sprint three, our team concentrated on the improvement of the job recommendation system due to received feedback from the clients and the supervisor. We recommended we accommodated the improvement of the admin dashboard by making changes to time cycle displayed on the graphs 2 days, and added more options in the recruiters panel with buttons such as added, yeah. So further experience in job listing and displaying applied IT related positions in the first place increased the platform's relevance with users' preference. These improvements are expected to enhance the workflow based on the user and enable the users to quickly and effectively identify an open position that would interest as well as apply for it without undue difficulty. So, and this is our job board under my name. So what I have done for work, what I have done work so far, and these were the lists of the Square Sprint 3, which was taken care by me, and uh, taken by me, and so these were the test cases and issues during the project involved, and we take care of this with the help of our supervisor, and all the testings is testing screenshots are added by one of my team leader Mohammed regarding testing, because we are four member in the team and only one person can submit our write up report, and in that write up report we have attached our screenshot for the testings. So yeah, this is my uh, job recommendation Jira account for the sprint 1, 2, and 3, the work I have done. And our project worked successfully. And yeah, that's all. That's all for now. And we have submitted our sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3 retrospective within the time as well. So yeah, thank you for this very interesting project, job recommendation system. Thank you.